financial statements, ipapasabina ko. Committee Sec, sabina mo yung financial statements. Issuance of subpoena duces tecum. The committee is hereby ordered to issue a subpoena duces tecum to the officers of Prime Water to bring all pertinent joint venture agreements between Prime Water and concerns water districts. Kasama na dun lahat ng financial statements.
Amendment, Mr. Chair. Addition, Mr. Chair.
Yes, go ahead.
Kung maaari din yung pertinent documents of at least the two other big concessionaires na inimbita natin sa hearing, baka there may be common concerns across na paglabas ng committee report, may rekomendasyon that will benefit all of their customers, o pwede natin i-compare and contrast yung mga financial statements nila, Mr. Chair. I so move.
Thank you. Take note of that, Committee Secretary.
Meaning po, Mr. Chair, sorry, meaning po, in addition to Prime Water, yung sa Metro Pacific at saka sa Manila Water, Mr. Chair. Salamat po.
Thank you, Senator Riza.